Hello everyone, so welcome back again. And the topic for the day is autonomous system number, AS number. Basically, an autonomous system number is a collection of IP and routers under the control of a single organization that follows a common routing policy. That it means it is a group of multiple routers, okay, or IPs in an organization. It may be possible that it is an organization. It can be an ISP like Airtel. So, a group of routers or the IPs under a cluster or under the collection of IP networks is known as autonomous system numbers. Okay. Well, let's talk about the history of autonomous system number. Okay. Before autonomous system number, the internet was collectively having a big database of huge networks, big database of huge number of networks in a single route. That is means a single routing table was there having all the IP address globally that can be accessible throughout the world. Okay. Well, E.C. Rosen has wrote an RFC in which he proposed to break a single unmanageable network into collection of multiple smaller manageable parts. So this table, the global table having the millions of IP was divided into smaller segments, and that segments were known as autonomous system number. Okay. So these parts were proposed to control autonomously. That is why it is known as autonomous system number. That is the reason they are known as autonomous system. Okay. So all gateways are divided into multiple autonomous systems. Okay. So what he proposed, he divided a global routing table, the global routing table into smaller segments, okay, that can be easily manageable by the routers of ISP, right? So it may be possible that AS number can be allotted to the ISP, AS number can be allotted to the organization having a big number of routers or big number of network controlling at the same time. Okay, here it is an example of autonomous system. An ISP, internet service provider like Airtel or Jio, itself having autonomous system number. A cloud provider like Google or AWS is also have its own AS number, a large enterprise with multiple branches and its own IP range. That is means it may be possible that a big enterprise has taken its own network range, has taken its own IP range from INA, will also be allotted by a separate AS number if the IPs are number in a big number. Why do we need the autonomous system number? As we told you that the large networks can be managed independently after the autonomous system number. They become a separate entity, can be easily managed. That's why introduction of AS was there to enable the BGP routing between the different organization. That is means if Airtel want to communicate with Geo, they can able to communicate with the help of autonomous system number like AS. Any AS will be allotted to the Airtel and another AS will be allotted to the Geo. Okay, they are by default having the AS actually, so they can able to communicate with each other in different autonomous system number to apply the routing policies and filters. To apply the routing policies globally, we need to use autonomous system number to uniquely identify network over the internet. So in on internet we can identify the networks with the help of autonomous system number, because all the ISPs have their own AS number. Now let's move further. Okay. The question is, where is AS used? So AS can be used in BGP configuration, AS path attribute in BGP to track the path of a route. So if we select the best path in a big network globally that is passed through the multiple ISPs, so that is means they have different AS number, like AS 6000 over here, AS 6500 over here, and AS 9000 over here. So the best path will be selected on the behalf of AS number globally. The peering between the ISPs or with cloud providers. That is means they will create the neighborship between the ISPs and cloud providers. As an example scenario, the AS number 45609 allotted to the Airtel, 4755 allotted to the Tata. Google has its own AS number 15169. So the path to reach from Airtel to the Google can be just like this, like 45609, 4755, and 15169. Okay, now let's move further. Okay, so this is how the AS path used to forward the data. As I told you, that Airtel is forwarding the data to Tata. Tata is in pairing with the Google. So this will be the path on the basis of my PC can able to communicate to server located at Google. So AS number is having an importance in between the data exchange between the multiple ISPs. So the peering will be done on the behalf of AS. So this peering is also known as neighborship. There, this AS neighborship can only be done by the help of BGP protocol. So this is the only protocol BGP that support the AS neighborship or AS peering. So that is all about the autonomous system number. Have a nice day.